So it's been a long time since I posted a video. Actually, it's been a little over 3 weeks to be exact. But I am coming back with a video unboxing my new MacBook Pro 2020. The last one I had was the 2015 model. I had it 4 or 5 years, and it was time. I was constantly getting that out of storage message, and I just wanted to upgrade, and not just upgrade by base model, but actually change the specs around since I knew a little bit more, and I wanted it to perform to the new tasks that I'm taking on, you know, doing YouTube videos here and there. So like I said, I had the early 2015 model with a 13-inch Retina display. It was a 2.7 processor, 8 gigabytes of memory, and 128 gigabytes of storage. And that's the model that I went straight to Best Buy, got that. I didn't know anything. I just, you know, wanted to have a MacBook. I made sure I got a MacBook Pro instead of an Air, because even back then that I knew that I was capable of doing a little more with the Pro instead of just having an Air, because the Pro is better for editing and making music, and it's better at processing the applications like iMovie, GarageBand, Logic, or Final Cut. So I'm not going to spend too much time talking in the beginning, so I am going to start the unboxing. So here I do have my old 2015 model, and I'm just going to do a side by side once I get this one opened. You know, I'm just gonna open this. I'm not gonna go ooh ah over the plastic ripping or whatever, because I know you guys don't really care about that point. So here you can see this is the new 2020 MacBook Pro. It's definitely thinner than the 2015 model. I think some people said it's as thin as the Air, basically. I got silver again because I really like that color. I know everybody's raving on the space gray, but I wanted to eventually turn all of my accessories silver when I upgraded my iPhone and my watch. I'm going to rip off this part for you guys. Oh yeah, this is real slick. Now it has a little mirror for the Apple sign, so that's pretty cool. Not that I would really care too much about that. So now I'm going to open the old one. Ooh. Open the new one. Oh, the new one turned on. And so there are subtle differences. I mean, of course, there's a touch bar. I heard this model, they placed the escape key back because at first it used to be a part of the touch bar, and I guess people were having issues with that. This came on for me to set that up, but I guess you guys don't need to see me set that up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Yeah, I need. So I'm just going to rip that off the screen. I can note that one cool thing that I see different, it has the Touch ID. So I'm just going to set that up. And even though I'm blind, I'm still going to set my computer to dark mode. No, I lied. I'm going to keep it on light mode. And now I'm waiting for the last touches. So the setup is finished. We're not going to worry about doing anything else with that as of right now. I did already have some accessories waiting for when this laptop came because I didn't want it out here catching scratches as soon as I got it. And so most of these cases come with keyboard covers as well, so I'm going to use that. Oh, and there's a screen protector on there also that I'll worry about putting on later, probably off video. So indecisive finding a case, but I ended up getting this watercolor one. Snap that on there. I thought it was going to be a clear cover to actually cover up the Apple, but I guess it's lifted enough so there won't be any scratches on the mirror part. And if I didn't mention it already, I will attach the link to this case in the description box. Ooh. And then just gonna cover that up. Yeah. I kind of stalled out when I was explaining the keyboard cover because as I laid it on there, I realized that it didn't actually fit, but it's going to stay on there until I get a keyboard cover that works. The case works and everything, but you know, that part was older model. Got that situated, and you all know what comes in a box. I don't want to spend too much time focusing on that, but the new charger, you know, it takes the Thunderbolt ports now, so there's that. And so I got a few more accessories to go to it. I got the USB hub, so you know you can add some USB and an SD card. I didn't pay attention to the color. I actually got this in space gray, but it's for if I actually need it, so I don't care. This was $59.99. This shit is expensive. Apple knows how to take all of our money. And I also got a new lightning charger that's you know, USB-C. So, and this was $19.99, and they didn't have a wall piece, base piece, so I said I guess I could just use it with the laptop right now. So I said I was going to insert the screenshot of these specs, but I wanted something that was portable, so of course I got the 13-inch, and I got it in silver because I want to keep silver items. For my hardware, I got the 2.0 processor with the turbo boost of 3.8. Y'all have the Intel Iris Plus graphics. I now have 32 gigabytes of memory versus the 8 gigabytes I had on the last laptop, and 512 gigabytes of storage versus the 128 I had. I also got the one that has 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. And you guys know the standard Apple software that it comes with, but I also had it configured to have Final Cut Pro since I have been using that on the Mac desktop. And so I wanted that for the laptop, so I got that put on here. And with those specs added and alterations, this laptop totaled to be, let me get a drum roll, $2,655.18. When I tell you guys, this is the last laptop for a long time. The other one lasted 5 years, so that means this one has to last 10 plus because, yeah. And it's crazy to me that it gets even more expensive. You can just literally now with the 13-inch, you can spec it out to meet your performance needs. And I know I was running into a lot of storage issues, and even then I didn't focus too much on the storage because you can use external hard drives and stuff like that. But I did know I wanted to upgrade the memory so we wouldn't have those stall outs and like my computer ready to give out on me. So there's never been a choice for me to go get the MacBook Air. I always select the Pro because I use consuming apps like GarageBand. Like, I know I had to remove GarageBand off my last laptop because it took up too much storage, and then, you know, I did put the Sims on there too, so that was probably a lot of the issue. But I was ready for a new laptop, and I mean it, this is probably going to be my last laptop. It's so funny because as I'm looking at it, I feel like I bought the same laptop again, but that's how Apple products are. That's so crazy. But I did need an upgrade in storage and memory so I can actually do the little things with the video, because I was running into so many issues. Oh, and then my old laptop, it was time for a new laptop, so I don't feel bad about it. I don't know what happened to my laptop, but it's like a dent. It's a dent down there, so it doesn't even close shut all the way, but it's like curved. And I guess it was the battery's going bad or something. I don't know if the battery sunk or whatever, but it's time for a new laptop. This is going to turn into anybody can use it type of laptop. So it was time for an upgrade. Of course, I'm going to tell myself anything to justify getting a new laptop, but it was time. And so I'm going to hop right into editing this video, but my next video pertaining to the computer will probably be you guys watching me customize everything, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be a while before I get into make everything aesthetically pleasing and all of that type of stuff. So I'm not a super tech savvy person, but I knew what type of specs I wanted for this new laptop to fit my needs, and I knew the issues I was running into from my last laptop, so I had an idea. Also, you know, I had someone who knew a little bit about the performance and video editing part and how much you know, energy I would need for my laptop. So if you're thinking about purchasing you a new laptop, I'm never going to be your voice of reason, because treat yourself. Treat yourself. I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.